Hey y'all, so today I am back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys this royal lady hair. Let's see, can y'all see it? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going to be showing y'all this royal lady hair that I got, and it says 100% virgin hair. I'm just going to put in a clip of the hair straight out of the box, nothing else. I'm just going to put in a clip of the hair straight out of the box, nothing else. This right here, this is the hair, and I did go ahead and wash the hair last night. It is my first time washing it. It does look like it's a little... just a little bit more brown than it was, but still no biggie. It did get a little bit of just like body wave to it after I washed it, but it's still just as soft, everything like that. Really no tangles or anything. Y'all, when I did wash this hair, do I have lipstick on my teeth? Okay. When I did wash this hair, I didn't get any shedding at all. I shouldn't say any shedding at all. It was just a normal amount of shedding, so wasn't bad at all. It is human hair. The hair is a little bit on the thin side. I have been wearing the wig, but what did I pay? I think like $50 for this hair. For $50. It's definitely worth it. So I'm going to show you guys just how I style the hair. Oh, before I put the wig on, I do want to show you guys. So I'm not sure if you can see, but the little part in the middle where they make like the little closure part, that's the only, I feel like, con of the wig, because it's so hard to lay down. Like sometimes I feel like it's just like standing up, and then it kind of has beards on it also, so the beards kind of stick up. But that's literally the only kind, and to me, I can tell, but I just feel like looking in pictures, or even if someone is looking at you in person, you cannot really tell. So I am gonna go ahead and turn on my flat irons. I am using I think it's called the Kapasi Professional Salon Tools flat iron. They have really good reviews on Amazon. I will go ahead and insert the link below, and I will also insert the link. It will be in my Amazon favorites video that it'll either be up before this video or right after this video. So with the wig, it came with, of course, the wig. It came with the little silk bag. It came with, of course, you know, the little lashes that they always send. And then it also came with a netted hair cap. I was using the netted hair cap. Don't know where it's at right now. So there's that. The wig is either 12 or 14 inches, but I will have all the specs of the wig down below. So we're going to start with putting on the wig. It does have a comb in the back, and then it has 3 combs around the front like that. And it has also elastic bands in the back. Typically what I've been doing, I just put the wig on and I'll put on the comb in the back. The combs in the front, sometimes I will, sometimes I won't. So here is the wig on. It is just straight out of being flat ironed. It's just straight out of air drying from being washed, and I'm about to flat iron it. So here's the bangs. I'm not sure if y'all can see in the top where I was telling y'all about the beards. That's kind of, you know, sticking up, and how the little closure part won't lay flat. But once you flat iron it, it does look super duper cute. I think I might even would wear it just curly like this. Of course, do something with the bangs, but I could potentially even wear it like this.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a...
Okay, y'all, so here is the finished look of my flat ironed hair. Y'all, is it not just the cutest wig? Like, this little wig, like I said, for the price that it is, this wig is so cute. I feel like it is so worth it. It didn't take me long at all to flat iron this hair. It does not have any lace on it, so that's probably one of the reasons why it is so cheap. But I feel like it's a still cute wig. I do have to say, which is a pro, which I'm going to say, I do have to say, once I washed this hair, I do feel like it gave it a little bit more body. Then from when I first flat ironed it and just took it out of the box, which I do like. I just feel like it makes it look even more like my hair. But yeah, y'all, how do y'all like this? One of the styles I do, I just go ahead and just tuck it, literally just tuck it behind my ear. So here it is regular, and then I just go ahead and tuck it behind my ear. I don't have any hair out at all whatsoever, and it still looks super natural and super good. So comment down below if you guys want me to maybe do a series of wigs under $50 wigs, human hair wigs. Of course, I know synthetic wigs, they run their course, but I prefer to have human hair wigs because I do like flat ironing through my wigs, washing them, and that sort of thing. So if you guys want a series like that, just go ahead and comment down below, and I will go ahead and try to give that to you all. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. See y'all later. Bye.
I'm the woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but against my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.